Before we download the simulation software, you just press System Admin, and then press About. System, press About. Then here, for example, this machine, the version is 50V. So when you download the simulation software from IDE, you must find this model. It must be same with your machine controller. Okay, this is the second thing we need to check. After that, after we download everything, you press maintain, and then press F2. Here it's the IP for the controller. For example, now for this machine it's 192.168.1.1. So I need to set the computer IP. Computer IP must be 1. I set the computer IP to be 192.168.1. This must be same. For the next one, the last number, you can, now I set it to be 100. So you can set it to be 2, 3, any number except 1. It must be different with the controller. So this is the second thing we need to check. After that, you just press set F5, set kernel severe. Press this one, and then you press choose open. You choose open and press F1, start severe. Then press OK. Press start severe, then press OK. After that, for all these things, we have finished setting on the controller. Then we need to set on the computer. We just so on the computer, because we have copied OCIS to be this folder. Okay, so after that we just go back, find OpenCC and this one, and send this to the icon to the desktop. To the desktop. So after that, we got this one. You just switch, double click this one, and now because I have connected successfully, so it will show here. But if we didn't connect it successfully, it will show open directly. After let me show you what all the parameters we need setting on the computer. It's a little slow. Okay. Then for after because you didn't set anything, so you didn't connect the computer to the controller. So after that we press F5 maintain and also press F2 set kernel severe. After that you just press connection setting. F4 connection setting. After that, you import remote server setting. You just import 1.2 or 192.168.1.1. This IP is the controller. This IP is the controller. So after you press that, you just press connect IP test. If test OK, then you press F4 auto connection. After you press auto connection, it will show setting saved. You must restart the software. After that, you press OK. Then start the software. It will show this menu. Press F2, connect. Press F2, so it will finish connecting.